This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the lender-owner Steam account on each device you want to share. Once there, open Steam settings, go to Family, and check Authorize Library Sharing for that computer. This adds the device to the owner's approved list. Make sure the borrower account also appears under Authorized Accounts. Once done, both owner and borrower are linked to that device, which is essential because Steam enforces device and account pairing before any simultaneous access can be attempted. You must understand the priority rules to use family sharing at the same time. Steam allows only one user to play a game from a shared library at once. The owner always has priority. Therefore, if you want both people active, choose distinct games. Borrower runs titles not currently played by the owner, or have the borrower play in offline mode for an owned installed game if permitted. Also consider local multiplayer split screen or separate accounts purchasing duplicates to eliminate conflicts. To finish setup, confirm each device shows as authorized under the owner's family settings, then restart Steam on both systems so permissions refresh. If the borrower loses access while the owner is playing, Steam will block the borrower, so try switching the borrower to offline mode or ask the owner to stop that game. If problems persist, deauthorize unused devices in the owner account, then reauthorize the current machine. Remember, buying a second copy is the only guaranteed way for both to play the same title simultaneously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.